Hey everyone and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to unfreeze Experian credit report. So if you are on Experian and credit reports are amazing to get everything organized. So what we're going to do is first of all head over to experian.com and head over to your freeze section. So you can access it by heading over to /help and /card free. So this is the exact area where you need to be in order to unfreeze the credit report. So we have a step-by-step guide here. So first of course, if you have your account, you are going to be simply signing into the platform. Make sure to sign in for a free Experian account. Then you are going to be placing a freeze to limit access to your Experian credit file, and once you do that, you're going to be unfreezing or scheduling a thaw anytime and get alerts when you freeze your changes, or maybe you can unfreeze similar manner if you want to freeze or unfreeze. So basically that's how you can do it. If you still have any questions or any issues, you can let us know in the comments below and I will be assist you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and see you guys around in the next video.